Wait, why is the map so weird? It's the weirdest map ever. What the hell did I just witness? Like, glitch through there. Oh, hey.
Oh, hello.
Come here.
I'm kinda cooked, but maybe not. Maybe not.
No, you are. At least
Stay
one of
here.
these green lasers needs to get you. At least
It did
one.
get me.
How do you have more health now?
Bro, what is this? Oh no, I'm dead.
Bob's down there
Bob.
on the left.
That guess
actually
is Forgo.
Is it actually Forgo?
Where?
It's someone really pro, so
Here,
it'll
Guka.
be really funny. Oh, bomb. Bro, I'm cooked.
Where are you? Can you just tell me? Like,
Oh my god.
Oh no, Silly boys here, we're cooked.
I haven't seen you like a single time. Oh, I found Bob.
They're at the bottom.
Yeah, he's like on the left. Oh my gosh, no! Hang! Ah! Why? Why?
I see a mat kit, them, and I don't need it.
Bottom left.
Bro, and
Yeah,
Trump is
screw you.
sniping me.
Oh, you died. Okay.
We got the weapons.
Nice.
Carry on.
Yeah.
Just
Weapon,
carry on. Just carry on. It's okay.
Go in the middle, you goofy.
Why is Anne attacking me? Why is he? Yeah, ban him. He's trying to kill us.
Only half we got
And you
the weapons.
just, I just want. I don't care about you guys. I just.
want to kill on this point.
Where? I'm struggling, Loki.
My mouth is watering right now. I could do
What
it.
the hell? Whoa! What the hell? Why you? Whoa! As soon
the
as he
consequences
looks
were-
at me, he says that his mouth is watering. Is it because I'm a fish?
He wants to eat you, yeah. Wants to make some sushi out of you.
3. Oh, when are we starting?
Okay, let's.
Let's just follow him. Let's just follow him.
Yeah.
No.
Oh! Nothing happened. Nothing. No one killed me. I'm okay. Oh, we're starting now.
I wish it was me.
Yeah, we're starting. Let's go. I have the time for you guys.
Okay.
Yes, we
They're
killed
not
him.
on.
Yes, we killed Bob.
Okay, that was quick.
What? You didn't even
Yep.
need to do that.
Yes, I did.
On the right.
Right, okay.
The corridor.
Like I know what that means.
The blue
That
one.
was such.
The only
so
blue
good.
area on the map, to be fair.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, hi.
So where's the fabled Omega?
They're not here, I lied. Funny prank.
I wish Slay had a middle finger emoji.
Whoa, oh, I was see, it was true, he is here. Just not exactly.
Okay, you said some advanced strats, Loki.
I was scratching my eye. I'm scratching my eye, bro.
I missed the part where that's my problem.
Why are you shooting me in the first place?
Because you said you wanted to kill me.
I didn't say that.
Kill me, guys.
To be fair, I never directly said.
Yeah, you insinuated it.
It's mine, no. It's mine. That's what I thought.
When are we
You
starting?
have a right to be here. Why?
you what? You
Sneeze.
oh you missed. What the hell?
Sneeze? Bro, what?
That doesn't even make any sense. Okay, you know what? I can't even be upset about that.
I would never do that on purpose.
Oh my god, why are you killing people? That's really not good.
That's like
So funny,
illegal,
bro.
bro.
Why is this torch just floating?
What? Oh my god, and the Babar bottoms. Let's go.
The what?
Dumb. Rip. Rip Omega.
Oh, Bob's here. Bob's here. He's on the bottom left. Bottom left. He's moving to the right. I'm gonna take him on by myself. Oh yes!
What?
I killed him. 2 shots. Oh wait. I wasn't meant to kill him. Oh. He's saying, "What are you doing?" It's like I thought he was running away. I didn't realize he was backing him. You know what? That should be like a. You know, we can't see the deaths. Like, you know, you can see the deaths in the top left, like who dies and the kills. But then if you type, there should be a way to see that, like the history of that, because it just disappears.
I mean, is there a purpose to it?
Yeah, yeah, so you can see like who killed who. And like when somebody died. Have you got your sneezing problem sorted out? Hmm? No, he's not even answering. Get that shotgun out of your hand.
Bro has no accountability. It's like, oops, I sneezed. A person died. Oh well.
Oh.
Nothing I could do.
America Simulator.
Let's synthesize.
He's here. They're all on the left. They're both on the left, bottom left. Yep, let's go around. Go around. Yeah, Omega, you're dead.
Where you going, Bob?
Oh, I'm dead.
Yes, 1 HP. Bob is 1 HP.
No.
No.
No, Bob. No, Bob.
Wait, yes.
No.
Yes, he
Dude,
died.
Oh, Bob is
okay.
spooked.
Where is
Maybe no.
What? Wait.
Maybe no.
I'm not here anymore. You can go through the portal.
I'm a liar. I know you're here.
He's on the bottom left. They're both on the bottom left.
Bob. Oh, Bob, save me.
You're acting as if I'm not gonna die in like...
I think Hank killed more people than the hunters.
Hank is killed, like, yeah. He just keeps on killing his own teammates.
Maybe he's a spy.
Yeah.
Come on, Evie. Test your luck. Oh.
There was
that
no
play
luck,
out?
there wasn't any luck to test.
Have some hope in yourself, Evie. Have some hope. At least.
You called me a meat shield the last time.
No, Evie, you underestimate your own strengths.
Yeah,
You
you're
are
right.
a good meat shield. You know what I mean? You take
Whoa,
all the damage
what?
while the other ones they don't.
I thought you were about to
get
say
the
something
job
really
done.
nice.
And just doesn't care, bro.
I'm so dead, low-key. Like,
You know what, I've had enough of you, and I'm gonna kill you. I don't care anymore.
Maybe had reached his limit. Let's find out.
Oh,
okay, we gotta back off definitely.
oh, it was an accident. Oh, Bob. Left. He's always hanging out on the left side. He's
Maybe
left.
he's
Oh my
trying to tell us
gosh,
something.
Omega's here too. Oh, I'm dead.
Bob, don't die there.
Bob
died
die. Yeah.
I think
Oh,
this is working out, bro.
Jeez,
he's
Bob.
on. I can kill him. I can see him. Yeah, we can get him. Oh, we got him.
Whoa,
was
let's
right
go.
in.
Yeah.
Ow.
Oh no, Anne's gonna get his revenge. He's trying to get his revenge.
Evie's not thinking about that. Just to get me.
I see some food. I see oh my gosh.
Bro, someone always steals Evie's kill on me. Always.
And it's always Anne, Hank, or a Balls. You know what? I've had enough. Can we just ban Anne already? Like, I've had enough. Just ban him.
Bro had enough of Van.
I don't want to see him ever.
Well, Is Lista? Are you live there?
Just resting.
Gotcha.
So I can swoop in the last 2 minutes and win.
I'm getting like sandwiched.
What?
Well, you're stuck. You're stuck. You're
Why?
dead. You're dead.
I think I'm alright.
You know what? I'm leaving. I've decided that. As much as I want to kill you, I also don't want to die. Why is Anne? Okay, you know what? This is enough. Enough is enough. Why am I missing? Why are you going? Yeah, at least you killed him. At least you killed him. Hey, Omega. It's a bit of a cult.
Like, no, shoot me. Get shot.
I love dying. I just love it.
Oh,
Thanks.
yeah. Assist.
Assist.
From who? Oh, Bob.
But
Look at this. I'm sick of getting my kills stealed from me.
Bertel?
Low.
Lol.
Oh.
Oh, wait.
How many shields you got, Anne?
Yes.
Can't
Yes.
kill me.
My first kill is Anne.
Can I
I'm
fix
happy.
my mouse, please? Without being shot 10,000 times.
No, because
have
that
three
means I can
mouse.
get a kill.
Stupid. I'm having a meltdown.
Yes.
My life is
Come on,
ruined.
Anne. I'll get you.
There's no recovery from this.
No.
As I feel like Slay kind of ruined my
What
life.
just happened? Bro, why you need to... What? Why is he getting so deep? It's like every now and then you just like, oh, Slay.One has ruined my life. Just casual, like out of nowhere. It's like, what? Okay.
How? Do you want to try your luck, EB?
Not really. I
Come
don't
on
think you
now.
understand, Omega. I don't try my luck. The luck tries me.
Like,
It would be
try
funny
to-
if you killed me there, but you didn't, because the luck tries me. Oh,
now.
we need
Guys.
to. Who does? Oh, gosh, can someone please remove balls from? Oh, he's just spreading his gas everywhere. This is not okay.
I got just sandwiched by 2 red rockets.
Welcome to my life.
Oh god.
How did my life turn out like this?
Bro, it's not that bad playing Slay.One. You're acting as if
It's the
you're like
worst
in
thing
this.
ever.
It's like that. It's not that. I mean, it could be worse.
I will
Could be
never recover
worse.
from this.
Ow. Oh,
What?
EB, I
What?
think your fate is sealed. Good luck.
No, I'm still alive. Oh,
What do you-
I don't give up. Never give up.
His ability, never give up. Determination.
And just leave me alone, man. Look, I know that I've been mean to you sometimes. Yes. No, no,
Yes.
no, no.
Oh my god, what is that?
Every time I get a kill, my... I don't even know.
Dead.
I need to stop shooting random people. Oh, what just happened?
Hey babe, please give me your life. I need this.
You choked me with your gas grenade.
What? Yeah, we should just kill him. Let's just ban him.
Kill balls.
We should just straight up kill him.
Execution scheduled tomorrow morning, 9 PM.
Should have signed a
Balls.
contract.
What?
That was not in the contract.
Oh, JBS is cooked.
Nope.
Please kill Ann. How does he have 15 kills? He's hacking.
Because he keeps killing innocent.
He's just a
men.
hacker. He's just... There's still 2 minutes
Bro.
left.
The
Anything
third
can happen.
day when I killed my enemy at the same time as he killed me. I love that.
Go, wait, chill, chill. I
Don't
said
di-
chill!
stay.
Said chill!
Hello.
Oh my god, you need to have some more love in your heart.
Some more love.
Summer love.
And cake.
Maybe.
I'm not even attacking you.
Why are you attacking me?
I'm not.
Why are you attacking
I'm
me?
getting burned to a crisp. I'm dead. See, if we work
Sandra.
together, we
If
We
set
wouldn't have
our
both
minds
died.
on one goal, maybe I was number one for a bit.
yes, I killed
What
Wolves.
happened? It's like the moment I start having fun, I just die immediately
Yes!
and lose all
I killed
semblance
Anne.
of hope.
I killed him. No. Look, I did everyone a favor.
Oh,
Yes! 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 No, don't do it.
Bro.
Don't do it. Just let me
Right.
be happy. Let me be happy. Leave me in peace. You don't have to do this.
yeah, yes. What? I avenge you, bro. I avenge you. You should spare me, bro. I avenge you.
I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna hunt you.
Come on.
I can still win.
No. Oh, that was so close.
I'd rather have Wolves win than Anne at this point.
Jeez.